Wasps can be serious pests in the summer, but we've got plenty of tips to keep them from buzzing around your yard. First, let's find out how to identify them. Unlike bees, wasps have a pinched waistline, significantly less hair, and nests that appear to be constructed from a brownish-gray, papery substance. Now that you know how to detect them, it's time to get rid of them. First, you need to eliminate the colony, which can contain thousands of individual wasps. Traps and sprays are the two most popular ways to get rid of colonies. If you use a trap, either choose one with the attractant included or bait it yourself with sugar water or juice and other ingredients. Make sure to place it downwind of any outdoor living area. Spraying either colonies or individual wasps is a quick and easy option, even from several feet away. Another alternative is getting rid of the nest yourself. If you find a nest is very large, indoors or on the ground, contact a professional. Having a wasp nest close to your home elevates your risk of getting stung, which can cause an allergic reaction. If a wasp lands on you, don't panic. Just brush it off gently. If one does sting you, wash the site with soap and cold water, reduce swelling with an antihistamine, and apply calamine lotion to relieve itching. Use these insights to safeguard against stings, eliminate nests, and keep wasps from returning. And thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.